The fabric that we send you guys, if you were to purchase the fabric via our eBay store, would have a couple of rub down pads. So these are just offcuts of headlining material that you can use once you glue your new material to your board. You want to be pushing down on the material to the board to ensure that it's got a good bond and to make sure that there's no saggy spots or sections that you have missed. Then we include a thank you card with some instructions as well for you to unwrap the material and the process that's involved before you apply the material, just to remove any creases or imperfections in the material for the folding process. So we do one fold line down the half of the material and then a couple of other fold lines to make it into a neat little package. Because Australia Post only accepts length of 110 centimeters, so we've got to be within that margin. And pretty much those creases will come out over time anyway, so pretty much as soon as you unwrap it, just follow the instructions and it will be all good to go. So there's a few orders all packaged up and ready to be posted off. Some headlining material may have slight flaws in the material itself at down the roll, and you can see here. So before you apply it, that can be quite concerning. However, once you do apply it, the flaws in the material can disappear, as you can see right here, and we're using that scrub down pad as well, so that's a good example for that. So here is another lot of material that has a couple of banding lines through it, and you can see they're quite consistent through the roll. However, once it's applied to the job, they seem to disappear. So that is an example for you guys to just to show you the end result that you can achieve on this type of material. And that's the same with this one here as well. It's got a few banding, and that's the same as if you're experiencing any creases in the material during the folding process of packaging. Most of the creases will dissolve as you apply the job, or at least once you get it in the car and allow it to settle in the car once the job's been recovered. After a few warm days, the foam and fabric seems to expand and give off a cleaner finish, so the best result is always seen after a few warm days once the job's and the material has been applied to the job itself. So majority of the time, the fabric that we'll send will be all good to go straight away, and it won't even have any flaws or any lines through the material itself. I wouldn't call them flaws that we were just showing you guys anyway. It's just more of a banding that's in the material, and sometimes the supplier has stock that they give us that has got that in it. So it's nothing of concern. It's more or less, this video is just showing you how to get rid of it and to trust the process. And we give all our material before we send it to anyone that purchases it a good check over, so a quality check, make sure that there's nothing on the material that will hinder its performance or the appearance at the end of result. So you can just trust the process. But if you have any concerns with any of the material that you buy from us, you can always reach out to us and we'll be happy to guide you through the process. And if there's anything that we missed, we'll be always happy to refund the item itself. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.